Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the headset discoverable and the phone ready to accept a new device. Turn Bluetooth on, confirm the headset has enough charge, and place it in pairing mode. This is often a long press on the power button. Once done, watch the phone scan results. Paired devices can block discovery so clear any old entries first. Make sure you understand the pairing LED pattern so you can tell when the headset broadcasts. That feedback prevents wasted attempts. After the headset appears, tap its name to pair. Sometimes a PIN like 0000 is required, so enter it quickly. Once connected, make sure you grant microphone and call permissions so the headset handles voice and calls properly. Then open a music app or call dialer to test audio routing. Switch between media and call outputs if volume or mic behavior seems off. If stereo feels reversed or call audio drops, adjust the phone's Bluetooth profile or reselect the device to reset audio roles. Finish by running a full test. Place a short call and play media so you verify both mic and speaker paths. If the mic sounds distant, move the boom or clean the mesh. If audio cuts, forget and repair the device to clear profile errors. Make sure the headset firmware is current. Manufacturers fix Bluetooth stability often. If things still fail, reset the headset to factory defaults and try pairing again. That clears corrupted settings and usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.